The cost of living crisis is biting extremely hard for grassroots music venues.
That £5 you've spent on seeing your local band that you really want to support, it really goes a long way.
You might see your next favourite band. That's the point.
I think grassroots music venues are a real indicator of a city's identity and a soul.
They really shape our culture, they're really vibrant.
They're where bands cut their teeth.
It's how you meet people, it's how you make friends, it's how I got to know the city outside of my own bubble.
Whatever you rate about a certain artist, when you see that live, it's everything enhanced.
I've been really fortunate to see bands that have started out in smaller venues at Fuel and then the club, and then they might play at the Castle, and you get to see them all here in Cardiff and follow that journey with them.
We need different stages because then it allows musicians to progress.
You know, the artists need the venues and the smaller venues need the local artists.
Grassroots music venues are the lifeblood of live music. We need to be supporting venues all year round.
It needs the security to be able to carry on forever, these venues, and we need to secure them so they're always there for the next generation.